Traditional life cycle assessment or LCA is a critical process for evaluating a product's environmental impact. However, it is an incredibly time consuming, data intensive, and complex manual task. This makes it a major barrier for businesses trying to make more sustainable choices. Our tool is an AI powered platform that automates this process. By using machine learning, we can predict a product's environmental impact in real time based on just a few key inputs, which allows for key data driven decisions on the factory floor immediately. We analyze a product's journey from raw material to end of life. Our tool categorizes this journey into three key routes using aluminium for example in this scenario. The ore route. The ore route basically is the worst case scenario. It involves extracting raw material from its ore, manufacturing it to a finished product, and then disposing of it after use. This route is highly resource intensive and results in the largest environmental impact. The recycled route. This is the most sustainable option. Using 100% recycled material, it bypasses energy extensive mining and refining, drastically reducing the environmental footprint. And the both route basically involves a hybrid approach that uses a mix of both ore extracted and recycled material. Our tool calculates the impact based on the specific percentage of recycled content you choose through this input. And according to this input, 0% means it indicates the ore route, and 100% indicates the recycled route, basically involving fully recycled material. And between 0 to 100 it depends on the amount of recycled material the user inputs. So for now, let's take the ore input and set the recycled content to 0%, and let us take the total amount as 200, and here the ore content and recycled content are calculated automatically. And let's proceed. The energy source used for a process is a critical factor in its environmental impact. Our tool allows you to select from three primary options: electricity, coal, or both. The choice here is a major determinant of your carbon footprint. For example, using a cleaner electricity grid will result in a significantly lower emissions compared to a coal based one. This is specifically relevant in countries like India, where coal still dominates the national energy mix. But there are also some places where electricity and coal are used combinedly as well. That's why we have included both option as well. So for the time being, let's choose coal option. Another key input for our analysis is transport distance. The distance a product or its raw material travel directly impacts carbon emissions, which basically means longer distance using inefficient travel transport modes can significantly impact carbon footprints, whereas using better transport modes can significantly lower carbon footprints. So let's generate analysis. The key metrics we provide a real time analysis based on three key metrics, that is, the carbon footprint basically shows you the total amount of carbon dioxide emitted throughout the entire process. The more energy intensive a route is and the longer the transport distance, the higher this number will be. The circularity score. This metric shows how sustainable the entire process is. A high score indicates a product that is designed for recycling and not disposal. Resource efficiency basically shows how effectively resources are used. The use of recycled content, for example, makes a process highly resource efficient. And in this case, as you can see, the circularity score is really low because we have used coal and the ore option, which is really energy intensive, and also it emits a large amount of carbon into the atmosphere, decreasing the sustainability choices by that's why it is so low, and the carbon footprint significantly increases, decreasing the resource efficiency as well. Here it shows the environmental impact comparison between the route, and our smart AI analysis goes beyond just providing numbers. It offers smart recommendation to help you make more sustainable choices. For example, it might recommend switching from a coal based energy source to a electricity or increasing your use of recycled content. It also shows a real time comparison of your chosen route against the other routes, as you can show on the basis of circularity score and resource efficiency. By making this data instant and actionable, we empower engineers and businesses to build a more sustainable